Defeat inflammation, a new era of relief. Defeat inflammation, a new era of relief. Inflammation can be a relentless foe, affecting your daily life and well-being. But what if there was a way to say goodbye to it for good? Imagine a future where joint pain and swelling are no longer your constant companions. This isn't just a dream, it's becoming a reality. Introducing the latest breakthrough in anti-inflammatory solutions. Designed with cutting-edge technology and backed by scientific research, this innovative approach targets inflammation at its core, offering sustainable relief and enhancing your quality of life. Whether it's arthritis or other inflammatory conditions, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Join the movement towards a pain-free life, supported by experts and tailored to your needs. Experience the transformation and reclaim your vitality. The journey to a healthier, inflammation-free life begins now. Discover your path to relief today. Understanding inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury, infection, or irritants. It's a vital part of the healing process, but chronic inflammation can lead to numerous health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and even some neurodegenerative conditions. The shocking truth about inflammation. Many modern lifestyle factors, such as poor diet, stress, sedentary habits, and exposure to environmental toxins, can cause persistent low-grade inflammation. This silent inflammation often goes unnoticed but has significant long-term consequences. How to address and reduce inflammation naturally using medicinal and plant-based remedies can be an effective strategy for managing inflammation. Here are some proven options. Medicinal approaches. NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Common medications like ibuprofen can reduce inflammation, but should be used cautiously and under medical supervision. Supplements. Omega-3 fatty acids, turmeric, curcumin, ginger, and boswellia are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Plant-based remedies. Turmeric, Curcuma longum, contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. Combining it with black pepper enhances absorption. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Boswellia, frankincense, helps inhibit inflammatory pathways. Green tea, rich in polyphenols that reduce inflammation. Aloe vera, used topically or internally for its soothing and anti-inflammatory effects. Lifestyle tips to combat inflammation. Adopt an anti-inflammatory diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and healthy fats. Reduce sugar, refined carbs, and processed foods. Maintain a healthy weight. Exercise regularly. Manage stress through mindfulness, meditation, or yoga. Prioritize sleep quality. Important note: before starting any new supplement or herbal regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications, consult with a healthcare professional. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever I post something new. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below and let me know what you think or if you have any suggestions for future videos.